everything there's a season. Every breath, every reason, under heaven's open sky. A time to live, a time to die, a time to plant seeds in the ground, a time to gather what we found, a time to break, a time to mend, a time to start again. Through every shadow, every light, He guides our days, He holds our nights. He makes all things beautiful in His time. In the waiting and the wonder His design. Though we may not understand every move of His great hand, still He makes all things beautiful in His time. A time to cry, a time to dance, a time to fight a second chance, a time to hold and to let go. There's a peace we come to know, a time to lose, a time to gain, a time of joy, a time of pain, a time to speak, a time of rest, learning to trust He knows best. From first sunrise to stars that fade, He writes the story that He's made. He makes all things beautiful in His time. In the waiting and the wonder His design. Though we may not understand every move of His great hand, still He makes all things beautiful in His time. Eternity is written on our hearts, yet heaven's wisdom keeps us in the dark. But every moment, high or low, is held by the God who's in control. Forever faithful, forever wise, nothing hidden from His eyes. He makes all things beautiful in His time. Every heartbeat, every mountain we must climb. So we rejoice and we do good, just like He said we should. Every blessing in this life is His gift divine. Oh, He makes all things beautiful, beautiful in His time. In the waiting and the wonder His design. What has been will be again. Every ending turns to begin. We stand in awe of His design. He makes all things beautiful in His time.